Okay. Gonna ride it for all it's worth here in a minute. Let me step back from there. It's loud as hell in here. I don't know if you can even hear me, but my GoPro, I didn't charge it. My apologies. So not much GoPro footage. We're waiting for everything to get warmed up. Once everything comes up to temperature, then he's gonna run the motor and simulate weight on it. Test running. Oh. Okay.
Sometimes when it sits for too long, they don't talk. Now you gotta get it does all this. Let's take a look here real quick.
Superflow Corporation Vehicle Test System. They still around?
Oh no, that's been here since I've been here. That's been here for 14 years.
So this is here when it was
This is
McCoy Freight. Okay,
that,
it was Rose City Freightliner.
Oh, engine ID you want to put in there.
Taylor dyno meter. So there you go. Okay, so now we're communicating.
Now we're talking.
Where's the horsepower gauge? Right here.
Yeah.
That's the one I'm worried about. Right there.
Oh yeah. Well,
Let's see what it does.
Once he gets spinning.
All right, let the circus begin.
Yeah, here we go.
Nope, there was lots flying.
They're going to be flying. Especially when it gets up to 60. There'll be a shooting gallery back there.
said it's just blowing off some smoke. Alright, let's get it started now. Okay. Now it's blowing up the smoke. Got an oil leak somewhere by the turbo on the bellows. So Dan says it's not a big deal. Huh? Yeah, it might just, that might just be shift from idling the truck, and it's burning it all off. Whew. It's got a lot of horse. Yeah, it's concerning for me, but he says it's no big deal. And he says it's a strong runner. That's great news. So 409 to the wheel.
Ground, yeah.
That is to the ground.
I still have a copy of this.
That's 50 more horsepower than my Detroit. Okay, this is run number 2. Time to stop smoking.
slowed down, that's when it put the load on. Stop smoking. Stop smoking. And that was just slobber because it was idle for so long. So right now the truck is doing 36 miles an hour. Should we get him up to 60? What a truck looks like when it's doing 46 miles an hour with a load on. Up to speed.
What's that?
We didn't even get it up to speed.
Well, that's low.
That low horsepower?
No. Depends on what gear you're in or whatever, but however the freaking water goes through the rolls.
So that's great news. We found a little bit of a coolant leak. That's no problem. It's coming off of one of the heater core hoses. Easy fix. They're going to take it off, but it did great. It did absolutely great at its peak. I want to say it did like 450, but now this engine is considered broken in. So according to manufacturer's specifications and everything, the engine is considered broken in. You think it did good, Dan? You think it did good?
Oh, I think so. Yeah.
I should be proud of the truck then.
Well, hey, Caterpillar's hard to beat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
All clear. Go out.
Woo. Hey, and she drives out.